Today, guys, I'm going to be showing you the most insane Blooket hack that I have ever found. It works super, super well, and it's going to be absolutely hilarious when you're trolling people in class with this hack. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So to get started with this hack, you're going to need to go to this link that I will have in the description below. It's a GitHub link, and it just has all of the code on it. All right, so anyways, what you guys are going to do is you're going to want to right-click on this and click Save As, and save it as a file to your downloads. Once you have done that, you're going to want to go over to the three dots, click on bookmarks, and click import bookmarks in settings. Once you guys have done that, click on this bar and click on bookmarks HTML file. Click choose file and then choose, of course, this one right here. And once you've done that, this imported thing should show up right here. So right here, we have all of the different hacks, how they work, and all that good stuff. We got the GUI as well. So if you just want easier access, you can use this. There's different settings. There's tons of really cool features with this hack. Whoever worked on this, Minecraft, what does that even say? This person, shout out to them. Anyways, before I get any further into the video, I do want to let you know to not use this on your main account. Use this when you're not logged in, because you can get banned for this, especially if you're going like crazy with hacks, importing like not even real numbers of money into the game. So that's just my personal advice. You guys can do whatever you want with this. So we're going to start a game. Oh yeah, guys. So right there, I just got banned again on a different account. I got banned. Yeah, so I've been banned on 2 Google accounts. So yeah, do not do this on your main account. Make sure you're not logged in, because I have been banned now on 2 different accounts. All right, we're back in the game after that, and I'm going to be showcasing the crypto hack, or the crypto hack, because this one's probably one of my favorites. I just find it funny, one of the hacks that you can do, and I'm going to be showcasing that. So click host now, and all right, we are going to 2 different accounts in this game to showcase this hack. Okay, guys, so I'm logged in on 2 accounts, and we're going to start showcasing the hacks. So first, obviously, it always makes you choose a password, which is kind of annoying, but we're gonna choose our password. And basically, the hack that I'm showcasing is actually the change password hack. You can literally make the password whatever you want. You can change it. Now, it may make it a little bit more obvious, but this can be like a really useful hack, especially if you're trying to do something that's minor that people aren't going to catch on to as easily. So I'm going to choose, on this account, I'm going to choose I'm Blooket God, and then I'm going to click on this one, whatever this is, and I'm just gonna let these load in. So I'm gonna go up here, open up the GUI, and I'm going to change my name, or change my password. So I'm gonna go to crypto hack. So I'm gonna make my password subscribe to me. Click enter, and it should have set your password as that. And if that doesn't work, you can also go in manually and do it. So I'm gonna just do that just to make sure. Set password subscribe to me. There we go. So now that we're in on this account, the account that we're gonna try to actually like see that our password has been changed, we're going to just turn on the auto answer hack so I can get to the option so I can see the other person's password. So what you guys are going to do, global, turn on auto answer. So don't X this out, just minimize it so it keeps doing that. Oh, what the frick is this? So yeah, if you just don't X this out, but if you just minimize it, it will keep auto answering. So there we go. We finally got the hack option. So now we're going to see that the other person's password has been changed. Please guess their password. There we go. Subscribe to me right there. That's their password. And if we click on it, that's the right password. So, and then I get to steal their crypto. So that's kind of an insane hack. And the auto answer, like, dang, that just makes it so easy. Look at this. And of course, there's other very cool hacks. So let me just showcase a few more real quick. Unminimize this. We're gonna go to crypto hack, and as you guys can see, we can obviously just set our crypto to like however much. There we go, 10,000, 10 billion, whatever. We can make it where we always pick the triple option. So if let me just guess this person's password. So we just imported this money, and as you guys can see, it's going to auto answer, and we're always going to get triple crypto. So we don't even have to import it. We could literally play somewhat legitimately, without importing money, and get to the top of the thing so fast, because we always get triple crypto. So yeah, this is just one of the many hacks on this Blooket tool. So yeah, so guys, that pretty much wraps up this video. If you guys did enjoy, please make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more cool videos like this. We are on the road to 100,000 subscribers, or that's the goal at least. So I would appreciate if you guys did subscribe. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.